Exercise 11, find the product. To find the product, we need to multiply numbers. We have done in earlier classes how to multiply one digit number, how to multiply two digit number. Let us revise it. 6854 multiplied by 89. So according to the multiplication rules, first we are going to multiply 6854 by 9, like here. 9 fours are 36, 3 carried over, 9 fives are 45 plus 3 will give us 48, again 4 carried over here, 9 eights are 72 plus 4, that will give us 76, and 7 carried over here, 9 six are 54 plus 7, that will give us 61. Now we'll move on to the next step, that is 6854 multiplied by this number. So this number is 80 according to the place value. So we are going to multiply it by 80. We'll put 0 here. Why we'll put 0 here? Because we have multiplied this ones place. Now we are going to multiply this tens place number. So we'll put 10 at ones place, as we are going to shift to the tens place. So after multiplying 6854 by 80, we got 5,48,320, and there is no other number, so we are going to add them. 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 carried over, then 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1, 10, again 1 carried over, 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1, that is again 10, 1 carried over, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, that will give us 11, 1 carried over, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, the product is 6,10,006. Question number 5. 12,456 multiplied by 784. Now here we have three places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So we are going to multiply accordingly. First we will multiply 12,456 by 4 like this. After that we will come to the tens place, so we will put a 0 at ones place here, and then we will multiply 12,456 by 80. After that we will go to the next step, that is we will multiply 12,456 by 700 by putting two zeros here, because we have multiplied ones place, then tens place, and now we are going to hundreds place. So we will multiply it by 7. After multiplying, we got these numbers, and then there is no other number, no other place, so we are going to add all of them. That gives us the product, that is 97,65,504. Number 12. 12,874 multiplied by 1,386. Now here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 4 places. So it is easy, we can multiply it in the same manner, like 12,874 multiplied by 6 first, then 12,874 multiplied by 80, then 12,874 multiplied by 300, and 12,874 multiplied by 1000. Now the problem here is, when we multiply, we put carry over, that creates a problem for us, that creates a confusion for us. So we can do it like this. Likewise, first multiplied by 6, so 6 fours are 24, 2 carried over here, then 6 sevens are 42, so 4 carried over here, then 6 eights are 48 and plus 1, that so 5 is carried over here, then 6 1 is 6. So now if we multiply this number by 8, again we are having carried over numbers, so this will create confusion. So just cut them after multiplying by 6, then after multiplying by 8 cut the another carryovers, after multiplied by 3 cut the next one, and if needed we can continue the process. So this will make our calculation easy. As you can see, No 0 because we are multiplying it by 1's place. Then 1 0 because we are multiplying by 10's place. 2 zeros as we are multiplying by 100's place. And 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros because we are multiplying by 1000's place. Exercise 12, question number 1. The cost of a scooter is rupees 36,453. Find the cost of 270 scooters. Now, cost of one scooter is given and we have to find out cost of 270 scooters. That means we are going to add 36,453 how many times? 270 times. So, when we add again and again, we can multiply. Therefore, we are going to multiply 36,453 by 270. Now, this gives us 10. So, we can break it. 36,453 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 10. Now, first multiply this by 27 and then put 10. As we know, by putting 10 to the right, we are multiplying it by 10. So, 36,453 multiplied by 27 gives us 9,84,231, and just put 10 after it because we are multiplying it by 10. Hence, cost of 270 scooters is rupees 98,42,310. Question number 4. There are 1,483 bags of wheat in a godown. If each bag weighs 100 kilogram, find the total weight of these bags. Now, weight of a wheat bag is given, that is 108 kilogram. We have to find out the weight of 1,483 wheat bags. So, we have to add 108 how many times? 1,483 times. So, when we add again and again, we can multiply. So, we are going to multiply 1,483 number of bags by 108 kilogram, that is the weight of each bag. So, after multiplying, we got 1,60,164. Now, here we are multiplying it by 8 first, then 0, 0, 0. Why there is 0, 0, 0? Because when we multiply any number by 0, we get the product 0. So, 0 3s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 1 is 0. Now, then we'll put 2 zeros according to the place value, and then we'll multiply it by 1, and by multiplying it to 1, we got the same number, that is 1,483 and 2 zeros of the hundreds place. So, hence, total weight of 1,483 bags is 1,60,164 kilograms. Number 7. A bundle of rope measures 548 meters. How much rope will be there in 2,367 such bundles? Question is saying that a bundle of rope is having 548 meter length. What will be the length of rope if there are 2,367 bundles? That means we are going to add 548 how many times? 2,367 times. And as we know, when we add again and again, we can multiply. Therefore, we are going to multiply 2,367 by 548. Now, again we are going to follow the same rules. First, we will multiply it by 8. After multiplying by 8, we are going to multiply it by 4. But before multiplying, we will put 10 because now the place is tens. So, we will put 10 here. Then after that, we will multiply the number by 5 and we will put 2 zeros before that because it is hundreds place. And after multiplying by 3 numbers, we will add them, and after adding we got this number. Hence, there will be 12,97,116 meter of rope in 2,367 bundles.